Hi everyone, this is Balwinder. Welcome again in my channel where I'm going to teach you about the whole strategy, how you can grow your business through digital marketing. वो सारियां strategies which I use to grow my business. Every day we using a lots of strategy to grow our business. The whole things I'm going to teach you, share with you through this video. If you're new in this channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon so that ਜਦੋਂ ਵੀ ਮੈਂ ਕੋਈ video release ਕਰਾਂ then you will be get notified, right? So come on the screen. Today I'm going to teach you how you can add a page and people in your business manager. Last time I teach you how you can add account and how you can set up your payment method. If you never been with that video, just click somewhere. You can see you will be go through this video, or you can check the playlist to see your video check kar sakte ho, right? So today I'm going to show you how you can add up pages and people into your business manager so that they can handle your page or business manager, the all people. So come on to the screen. Guys, ਜਦੋਂ ਵੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ login ਕੀਤਾ, remember the last video which I just created that XYZ business account just to teach you about how you can set up this all things. So ਜਦੋਂ ਵੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇਸ account ਤੇ ਆਓਗੇ, then you go to the business settings. When you just in the business setting, you have that all options. You know that when you just create a new business manager, ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਇੱਕ add account add ਕਰਨ ਦੀ ਲਿਮਿਟ ਹੈ, ਇਸ ਤੋਂ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਨਹੀਂ। ਅਸੀਂ ਇੱਕ add account add ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਆਪਣੇ ਤੌਰ ਤੇ, means we can create it. However, you can get lots of requested. ਜੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕੋਈ ਹੋਰ business ਨੂੰ request ਭੇਜਣੀ ਹੈ, then you can do that. This all things which I teaching you or मैं उस video ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ mention ਕੀਤਾ. If you're new in it, so just go to the video and just check it, right? So here in this account, ਜਿਹੜਾ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸਾਡਾ ਇਹ accounts ਹੈ ਜਿਸ 'ਚ ਮੈਂ add account ਕੀਤਾ ਸੀਗਾ, we already add a one digital grow account here ਤੇ ਮੈਂ ਬਲਵਿੰਦਰ ਸਿੰਘ ਨੂੰ ਉਹਦਾ access ਦਿੱਤਾ ਸੀਗਾ. About the pages, guys, we are going to add a page in this business manager. ਜਦੋਂ ਵੀ ਕੋਈ ਤੁਸੀਂ business manager setup ਕਰਦੇ ਹੋ, then you need to assign a primary page for the business. What I'm saying to you, ਜਦੋਂ ਵੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕੋਈ ਵੀ ਬਿਜ਼ਨਸ ਸੈਟਅਪ ਕਰਦੇ ਹੋ, ਕੋਈ ਵੀ ਨਿਊ ਬਿਜ਼ਨਸ ਸੈਟਅਪ ਬਿਜ਼ਨਸ ਮੈਨੇਜਰ ਸੈਟਅਪ ਕੀਤਾ, then you have to assign a primary page to that business manager ਤਾਂ ਕਿ ਜਦੋਂ ਵੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕੋਈ ਐਡ ਰਨ ਕਰੋ ਤਾਂ ਕਿ ਉਹ ਪੇਜ ਦੇ ਥਰੂ ਐਡ ਰਨ ਹੋਏ। ਮਿਨੀਮਮ ਇੱਕ ਪੇਜ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਹੈਗਾ। ਸੋ ਆਈ ਐਮ ਗੋਇੰਗ ਟੂ ਐਡ or just going to create. About these three options, मैं ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਦੁਬਾਰਾ ਇਹ three options ਬਾਰੇ ਦੱਸਦਾ। ਮੈਂ already mention ਕਰਤਾ in the another video, but today I'm going to show you tell you another one more time. Add a page, ਜਿਹੜਾ ਸਾਡਾ ਪਹਿਲਾ option ਹੈ add a page, ਇਸ options ਨਾਲ ਕੀ ਹੋਏਗਾ, you are going to claim a one page into your business manager. Means ਅਗਰ ਕੋਈ ਜਿਹੜਾ page ਤੁਸੀਂ ਆਪਣੇ business manager 'ਚ transfer ਕਰਨਾ ਚਾਹੁੰਦੇ, if already someone using that page, ਇਸ option ਨਾਲ ਕੀ ਹੋਏਗਾ, ਉਸ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਜਦੋਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇਸ page ਨੂੰ ਆਪਣੇ business manager transfer ਕਰ ਰਹੇ, then he or she would not have an access. ਉਹ ਸਾਰਾ page ਤੁਹਾਡੇ business manager 'ਚ ਆ ਜਾਏਗਾ, ਉਹ page ਨੂੰ use ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰ ਸਕਦਾ। Means if you're just going to buy a new business, then you can transfer that business page into your business manager so that you can use it. With the second option, you can request it. Means that people also have the access and you will have, your business manager will also have an access of that page. You both have an access, so you can both work on it. So third option, create a new page, create a new page, which if you do not have any page you want to create it, you can create it, right? So I'm just going to create a new page here. For example, just going to assign a primary page just for to teach you here. Any brand, let's say I'm just going to make a company page name XYZ company, or I'm going to put just Balwinder FP, right? Category, so that education, let's say I'm going to put that education. Create a page. Facebook just taking time to just create this all page based on their privacies and policies to make that all pages. So guys, just going to start it all things. Yep, that page has been created. Now this page our page hun kaun assign kar raha means Balwinder Singh is only a people who are going to handle this page. So we are on this page. So ਅਸੀਂ primary page assign ਕਰਵਾਵਾਂਗੇ ਤਾਂ ਕਿ ਮੈਂ business info ਚ ਜਾਵਾਂਗੇ. business info you can see that primary page. Edit ਤੇ ਜਾ ਕੇ we are going to put that primary page here, Balwinder FP. That all pages ਤੁਸੀਂ ਤੇ list find out ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ, the whole list in your business manager, no somewhere else. The all pages you have in your business manager you can assign and you can make a primary one. So that's it. So here we have that option. So now you can add more pages from this button. If you press on this button you can get a request of the page. For example, I have the page Balwinder Singh Mentor. Guys, I have 4200 likes at the moment. If you watch my video, just go to the page, or you can find the link into the page. You can find a link into the description. Click it, like, comment how you like the page. You can select it, and now what they are asking for is जो तुसी अपने business manager तो page ਨੂੰ request access भेज रहे हो. Now what they are asking for, what kind of control you would like to get for the page, means ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਬਿਜ਼ਨਸ ਮੈਨੇਜਰ ਕਿਸ ਪਰਮਿਸ਼ਨਸ, ਕਿਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਦੀਆਂ ਪਰਮਿਸ਼ਨਸ ਲੈਣਾ ਚਾਹੁੰਦਾ from this page, right? So ਜੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਐਡਮਿਨ ਦੀ ਲਓਗੇ ਤਾਂ means you will have all admin access for this page. ਅਗਰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਹੋ ਕਿ now I don't want that admin one, I just add creator, ਤਾਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਐਡ ਕ੍ਰੀਏਟਰ ਦੀ ਭੇਜ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ. if you just go through with the all options you will not good to know that what's going for. ਅਗਰ ਮੈਂ ਐਡਮਿਨ ਦੀ ਭੇਜਾ then we will be going to request and access. Now the request has been sent to Balwinder Singh Mentor page. Who owns that page, they have to give a permission on it, right? So this is the way you can go that. And further ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇੱਥੇ ਜਾ ਕੇ ਰਿਕੁਐਸਟ ਤੇ ਜਾ ਕੇ ਚੀਜ਼ ਚੈੱਕ ਵੀ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ. send requested, yep, this has been sent, and if you want to cancel it you can cancel it. This is the simple way you can do that, right? Now about the pages it's done. About the people now, the only one, why we need more people. If your business manager have lots of accounts, at the moment you have one, when you just start spending on it, spending money from that one ad account, then you will have more options, more ad account limit. Facebook automatically give it to you. Now agar ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਬਹੁਤ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ accounts ਨੇ, if you are only one person in your business manager and it's very tough for you to handle the whole 10-20 accounts, now you have to build your all teams, right? The JD team nu tusi build karna chahne, if you want to add someone else in your business manager, then you can click a button add and you can send them a request for admin access. Show more options, do not do that. You need to put your their people email ID, right? For example, I'm just going to put my Balwinder George Kurgia @gmail.com, right? Enter it. Email add ਕਰਨ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ you are going to give them an admin access. Doesn't matter ਅਗਰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਨਹੀਂ ਵੀ ਦੋਗੇ ਤਾਂ ਵੀ ਕੋਈ ਇਸ਼ੂ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ. ਅੱਗੇ ਜਾ ਕੇ they will be ask you ਕਿ ਕਿਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਦੀ permissions ਤੁਸੀਂ ਬਲਵਿੰਦਰ ਸਿੰਘ ਨੂੰ ਦੇਣਾ ਚਾਹੁੰਦੇ ਹੋ, right? For example ਇਹ ਨਹੀਂ ਚੱਕੇਗਾ, reason being I already added, ਨਹੀਂ ਤੇ ਮੇਰਾ this is another account, should be working fine. So next ਕਰਨ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ, now this is the main thing. Facebook is going to ask you what sort of permissions or what sort of accounts you would like to give to the Balwinder. Means agar ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਕਾਫੀ ad accounts ਨੇ, ਅਗਰ ਕਾਫੀ pages ਨੇ, you have more pages, more ad account, ਤਾਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ Facebook ਨੂੰ ਕਹਿ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ ਕਿ please give that account to Balwinder. Means please assign that account to the admin level, or just if you want to view performance, just go through with these options. Then agar tusi admin level de rahe ho, now invitation, after that invitation Balwinder got a request. Once they accepted, Balwinder ko is account the admin access aa jayega, right? I'm just going to pause this video for a minute and I'm going to show you after the confirming the request, I'm going to show you how it looks like here. I think should be fine, hopefully fine, or you can add more people. I'm just going to pause it for a minute, come back. Welcome guys again here. I already accept that invitation, so accept karan to baad I'm just going to refresh it. ਜਦੋਂ ਮੈਂ refresh ਕੀਤਾ, then the pending should be converts to the accepted. So now Balwinder go ਗਿਆ, I put that name Balwinder Gogia. ਜਦੋਂ ਮੈਨੂੰ request ਮਿਲੀ ਤਾਂ I just put a Balwinder Gogia name on it. And now Balwinder Gogia have that account. Now Balwinder Gogia can access only this digital grow account. They can view performance, they can create campaign, they can do whatever they want to do because they have a manager admin access. So I hope that helps, guys. Just try one time, set up your business manager, will definitely help you out to grow your business wisely. Thank you so much for watching. Just comment it, guys. Comment karke mainu dassiyo how you like the video. Further, if you have any kind of question in regards to Facebook ad, firstly just ask me, or digital marketing, I'm more than happy to share with you my all strategy. Just comment below and tell me what sort of video you want and where you're facing the problem you want a remarketing strategy. I'm going to share with you the all things by step. So don't forget to subscribe my channel, will definitely help you out. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much.